In this video, which will be quite brief, we'll introduce something called energy storage elements. Elements that store energy are somewhat unique. So far, we've been working with sources and resistors. Sources can be thought of infinite supplies of energy. Although we know, strictly speaking, this isn't true. For example, if we have a battery, eventually it'll run out. On the timescales we're normally interested in when we're analyzing a circuit, say 1 or 2 seconds, we can consider our sources to have infinite energy and to not change much. Resistors do not store energy. They only consume it. A resistor converts energy into heat. There are 2 other kinds of elements that we're going to be talking about in this course, and these elements are very special in that they do store energy. Capacitors, sometimes we'll refer to them as caps, store energy in electric fields. Inductors, which don't have a shorthand, store energy in magnetic fields. When we're dealing with energy storage elements, there are 2 important things to keep in mind. Number 1, energy stored is finite. We typically talk about charging and discharging. Second, time is needed. So, we need to have a certain amount of charging time or discharging time in these circuits. So far, we haven't considered time at all. When we're dealing with energy storage, we'll move into different ways of looking at a circuit and asking ourselves, how does it behave over the entire lifetime of our analysis? Time dependence is sometimes a hindrance. However, you can actually use it for certain things. For example, the timing of a clock is based on things like this time dependence of energy storage. In the next video, we'll introduce the capacitor, talk about how it stores energy and how we can work with it.